Welcome to Sharadevi More English School on the lecture. Good evening, student. Now let's see the solution of the lesson question number 3. In question number 3, we have found all the 4 points of first equation. Now see the second equation of it. 2x minus y is equals to 9. Now I am arranging and writing in the form of the y. So I have brought this 2x on the right hand side. This becomes minus 2x. Now we have to make the minus y positive y, so we have to multiply with the negative sign. So when you multiply the y with the negative sign, this will become the positive y, and this minus 2x will become plus 2x, and this minus 9 plus 9 will become the minus 9. Now arrange the terms. Now I am writing the 2x first, and then I am writing the minus 9. Now see, this is the arranged equation. ये arrange किया हुआ equation है. Now we will take the 4 different points and we will find out the value of y. Now suppose I am taking when x is equals to 4. When x is equals to 4, then y is equals to. Now here you have to substitute the 4 at place of the x. So 2 into 4 minus 9. So this is equals to 2 4 is 8, 8 minus 9. So y is equals to minus 1. Now next value, when x is equals to 1, then y is equals to 2 into now 1 minus 9. So 2 into 1, 2 1 are 2, 2 minus 9 is equals to minus 7. Okay. So when the x value is 1, then y value is equals to minus 4. Now next value, third value, when x is equals to 0. Suppose x is equals to 0, then y is equals to 2 into 0 minus 9. So y is equals to 0, 0 minus 9 is equals to minus 9. Next, fourth point, point number 4, when x is equals to minus 2 or x is equals to 2. So now therefore y is equals to 2 into 2 minus 9. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 9 is equals to minus 5. So y is equals to minus 5. So here we have found the 4 points. Now write down in table. X, y, x comma y. Now the first value of x 4 and y will equal minus 1. So 4 comma minus 1. Next 1 minus 7. 1 comma minus 7. Next value 0 minus 9. So 0 comma minus 9. And next one 2 and y value is equals to minus 5. So 0 comma minus 5. Sorry, 2 comma minus 5. Now we have to plot these points on graph paper. Now take the graph paper. Now at the center horizontally draw the x-axis. Okay, now label as x and x dash. Now draw the y-axis. Y-axis as y. Okay, at the center there is point of origin denoted by O. Now write down the scale. 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on both axes. On both axes. Now write down the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On the left hand side, write down the -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8. Okay, on y-axis, above the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And below x-axis, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. Now we have to plot the points. Now see the points of the first equation. 3 comma -3, 5 comma -5, -4 comma 4, 7 comma -7. So now the positive 3 of the x coordinate is on x-axis, is on right hand side, and the -3 is below the x-axis. So this is the 3, positive 3, and y value, which is -3, is downward to the x-axis. So now 3 comma 3, 3 comma 3. Next point is 5 comma 5. See the 5 and -5 is here. So it is 5 comma -5. Next number is -4 and 4. So now their x values -4. So x negative value are left hand side on the y-axis. So it is here -4, and y value is positive. So that's why this point will come in the second quadrant. Here it is -4 comma 4. Now next point is 7 comma -7. 7 comma -7. So see, this is the 7 here and -7 is here. Okay, so 7 comma -7. Now we have plotted the 4 point. We have to join. Okay, now join the all 4 points. Okay, now write down the equation of that line. The equation of this line is x plus y is equals to 0. X plus y is equals to 0. Now we have to plot the points of the second equation. Now see the points of the second equation: 4 comma minus 1, 1 comma minus 7, 0 comma minus 9, and 2 comma minus 5. Okay, so first value 4 comma minus 1, so x coordinate is positive, so 4 positive is on right hand side of the y axis, and minus 1, so minus 1 is here. Now write down the points: 4 comma minus 1. Next point is 1 comma minus 7, so 1 comma minus 7, 1 is positive and y coordinate is negative and it is minus 7, so this will come here, 1 comma minus 7. Next point is 0 comma minus 9, 0 comma, so here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is minus 9, so y minus 9 is on y axis and it is below the x axis, so 0 comma minus 9. And last point 2 comma minus 5, so here 2 and minus 5 is here, 2 comma minus 5. Okay, now we will join all 4 points. Okay, now write down the equation of the line. Two x minus y equals to 9. What is the equation of line? 2x minus y is equals to 9. Okay, now see the point of intersection. To find out the solution, we have to draw the perpendicular from that point on x-axis. So when you draw the perpendicular on x-axis, it meet or coincide with the 3. So x coordinate is 3, and when you draw perpendicular on y-axis, it meet to the point minus 3. So therefore the point of intersection is 3 comma minus 3. Therefore the solution of simultaneous equation is x is equals to 3 and y is equals to minus 3. So this we have to write down. The 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 coordinate of point of intersection is 3 comma minus 3. So therefore x is equals to 3 and y is equals to 3 is the solution of given simultaneous equation. So therefore the solution of given simultaneous equation is 3 comma minus 3 full stop. Okay, now let's see the next question, question number 4. See the question number 4. 3x minus y is equals to 2 and 2x minus y is equals to 3. What is the question? 3x minus y is equals to 2 and 2x minus y is equals to 3. This is the question. Here you have to find out the 4 point for each equation, and then you have to draw the plot, you have to plot the points to get the solution. Now this is the fourth one. The question is 3x minus y is equals to 2, and second equation of this question 2x minus y is equals to 3. Okay, now 3x minus y is equals to 2. Now you have to arrange the given equation. क्या करना है आपको? गिवन इक्वेशन को अरेंज करना है. तो राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द y. तो माइनस y is equals to 2. Now there is plus 3x. Bring it on the right hand side. So this will become minus 3x. Now make it positive. So here we have to multiply both sides by negative sign. So this y will get converted into the positive y, and this 3 negative x will become the positive 3x, and this 2 will become the minus 2. Now again arrange the equation. Now bring the 3x at first position in the on the right hand side. Now this minus plus 2 become the minus 2. Now take the four different points. Now first point, when when x is equals to 1, so therefore y is equals to, now substitute the value of the x in this arranged equation. So 3 into 1 minus 2, so y value will be 3 minus 1 is equals to 3 minus 2, so y is equals to 1. Now second value, when x is equals to 2, when x is equals to 2, then y is equals to 3 into 2 minus 2, 3 2 is 6, 6 minus 2 is equals to 4. Okay, now find out the third value. When x is equals to, suppose x is equals to 0, so therefore y is equals to 3 into 0 minus 2, so this is equals to 3 into 0 is equals to 0, 0 minus 2 is equals to minus 2, so y value is equals to minus 2. Now last value for this equation, when x is equals to, when x is equals to 4, so therefore y is equals to 3 into 4 minus 2 is equals to 12, 12 minus 2 is equals to 10. Okay student, now observe the points. Okay, now see the second equation. Second equation is 2x minus y is equals to 3. Now first equation completed. We have found the four different points. Now arrange it again. Minus y is equals to 3. Now bring this 2x on the right hand side. So this will become minus 2x. Now again make it positive. So when you multiply the minus y with y, so this will become positive. 3 will become negative. And again 2x will become positive. Again arrange it, 2x. Bring it first position. Now minus 3. So this is the arranged form of the equation 2, or you can see the second equation is written in the form of the y. Y के फॉर्म में इसको हमने क्या किया है, लिख दिया. Okay, now find out the points for different points. When x is equals to minus 1. Now substitute this value in the arranged equation. So y is equals to 2 into minus 1 minus 3. So 2 into minus 1 is equals to minus 2, and this is minus 3. So this will form the minus 5. B. When x is equals to minus 2, suppose, so then y is equals to 2 into minus 2 minus 3. So 2 2s are 4. So it is minus 4 minus 3 is equals to minus 7. Okay. Now where to find out two more points. C number, when x is equals to when x is equals to 3. Suppose x is equals to 3. So therefore y is equals to, so 2 into 3, 2 into 3 minus 3. So 2 3 is 6, 6 minus 3 is equals to 3. Now last value, when x is equals to 4, so therefore y is equals to 2 into 4 minus 3. Therefore y is equals to 4 is 8, 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Okay. Now we found the 4 points for the second equation also. Now make the table for both equation. Okay. X y x comma y x y x comma y. Now for the first equation, when we take in x is equals to, when 1 is then y is also 1, 1 comma 1. Next point is when x is equals to 2, then y value is equals to 4, to 2 comma 4. Next value, when x was 0, the value of y was minus 2, so 0 comma minus 2. And the fourth value, when x was taken as 4, we got the y value as 10, so 4 comma 10. Now for second equation, now when the value of x is taken as minus 1, we got the value of y as minus 5, so minus 1 comma minus 5. Next point, x taken as minus 2, then we got y value is minus 7, so minus 2 comma minus 7. Now third value, x is equals to 3, then y value is also 3, 3 comma 3. When x value is taken as 4, the y value obtained is 5, so it is 4 comma 5. Okay. Now we have to plot the point to find out the solution. Now draw the axis, horizontal x-axis. Okay, now I have drawn the x-axis. Now label it x. Okay, now y-axis. Now student, write down the scale. Scale 1 centimeter is equals to 1 unit on both axes. On both axes. Now label the y-axis. Y, y apostrophe. Okay. Now let's plot the points. We have already drawn the axis. Okay, now see the first point, 1 comma 1. Now both value are positive, so this will fall in the first quadrant. Now first write down the points 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. On the right hand side, sorry, left hand side, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. Okay, now y-axis upward, x-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And below of x-axis -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -6, -7, -8, -9, -10, -11, -12. Now let's start plotting the points. The first point is 1 comma 1. Both points are positive, so this will come in the first quadrant. See the x coordinate and y coordinate here, both are 1 and 1, so this point is here 1 comma 1. Next point is 2 comma 4. Now again both points are positive, so this will come in the first quadrant. 2 comma 4, 2 comma 4. Next point is 0 comma -2. Now here x coordinate is 0 and y coordinate is -2, so this will come on the y-axis, and here y value is negative, so this will come on the negative side of the y-axis, so it is here -2 comma, sorry, 0 comma -2, because we have to write down the x coordinate first. Next point is 4 comma 10. Now 4 and 10. Okay, 4 comma 10. 4 comma 10. Okay, 4 comma 10. Okay, now we have plotted all 4 points of the first equation. Let's join it. Okay, first you match all 4 points, then draw a straight line using the long scale. Don't use the 6 centimeters, 6 inches scale. Okay, 15 centimeters scale. Now write down the equation. What is the equation? 3x minus y is equals to 2. So 3x minus y is equals to 2. Now draw the points of the second equation of this question. The points are minus 1 comma minus 5. So both values are negative. So this will come in the third quadrant. Now see the minus 1 comma minus 5. So 1 minus 1 comma minus 5. It is here. Okay. It is exactly coming on the written equation. Now I am arranging that equation. I am writing here 3x minus y is equals to 2. 1 minus 1 minus 5. So this point falling on the drawn line. Now see minus 1 comma minus 5. Next point is minus 2 comma minus 7. Minus 2 comma minus 7. Minus 2 comma minus 7. And next value is 3 comma 3. Both are positive value. 3 comma 3. Okay, now 4 comma 5. Next point is 4 comma 5.